guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope that the sound will be okay in this video because I'm using my microphone, which I haven't tried before, but I also have an AC in my room now and it is so loud, so hopefully you can hear what I'm saying and not only hear the AC because that would suck. Anyways, today is gonna be a fall vibes kind of get ready with me. Why do I talk with my hands like this? Today's gonna be a fall vibes get ready with me. If you want to see what I come up with, then please keep watching. So I'm back and I filled my eyebrows in. So before we start on the eyes, I want to just moisturize my face a little bit. I'm gonna be using the 4th Ray Beauty Coconut Face Milk. I'm just gonna rub that into my face and drag any excess product down to my neck. It smells so good. I don't know if this actually does anything, but it makes my skin feel good and it smells good, so I'm just gonna keep using it. Then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and prime my face. That also feels very good. I love putting this on my face and it's so cheap too. So now we're gonna get into the eyes and I'm gonna first prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in Rumor 02. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelids. And I like to pat this down and not like drag it out as much. I look so white in the camera. I swear I don't look like this in real life. Why does my nose look so red? This part of my face looks so red in the camera. In person it does not look like that. Wait, let me just like take my mustache off. Aha! God. Okay, I just zoomed in on the eyes so that you can see a little bit better when I do my eye makeup. And my thing is creasing now. By the way, I didn't set this with any powder because I like when it's a little tackier. So I'm going to go in with the So Jaded palette today by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I love Kathleen Light. She is my literal favorite YouTuber ever. Love her so much. And I wanted to go in with like a more olivey kind of makeup look today, so I think I want to go in with like this color and 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 all those nice colors over there. So it'll be very fall vibes. So to start off, I'm gonna go in with the color Citrine, which is this really pretty like yellowish color. And it looks more brown in the camera, but it is like a yellow with like a little bit hint of mustard of it. So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe E17 brush and just pat that on the lid and just blow it out. I'm first packing the color on and then I blend it out so that it has the most color payoff. So there I have it packed on, and now I'm going to blend it out with a bigger, fluffier brush. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E27. No extra product on my brush, I'm just going to go and blend out the edges. And then I'm going to bring back the color a little bit by repeating the steps, packing it on and blending it out. Now that we have that color in the crease, ooh, it's so pretty. Let's go in with this color called Jade. It's a really pretty green olive color, perfect for the fall. And I think I want to do a halo eye today, so I'm going to put it on the inner and outer corners only. Keep it really low to the lash line. Ooh, yes, I like that color. Oh my god, yes. Ah! Once again, I pat the color on and keep it really low to the lash line, and then I blend it out with a fluffier brush. So I'm gonna bring the color all the way over here, right above my crease line, so I'm going to draw that line out right here. To help the blend a little, I like to mix the two colors together so that just we'll have that perfect middle color. Ooh, so pretty. Even though it's like a puke color, it's like a really pretty puke color, you know? Then I'm going to dip back into the yellow color with the biggest fluffy brush and just really blend out the edges and bring the yellow back a little. So there is some like weird patchiness over here, like the color is not sticking well and it's really weird and it's really annoying. I don't know why that's happening. It's not happening on this side as much. And I don't understand, and it's really annoying me. Stick. Why is this happening? Can you see this? Like, why does it look like that? It looks like there's like water on it. Why is my eye like this? We're gonna pretend that's not there, and hopefully these other steps will cover it up. We're gonna go in with this color called Stoned. It's very pretty, like brown, but it's like, looks like almost like muddy brown, like green tone brown. I'm gonna deepen up the outer corners with that color. Keep it really to the inside. Okay, I can see where we're going with this. I like it. I like it. Except this thing over here. Okay, just to really bring that yellow back, I'm gonna go in again with a big fluffy brush and just go around the edges so that we can really get like that warm yellow tone thing. Yeah. Dude, I hate this eye. Like, never looks good. Pretty, pretty. Okay, I like that. Okay, so in the middle of our lid, I don't really like the colors for this palette. There's no like gold. Like, I want to put this topaz color as a topper, but there's no like really good gold like shimmer. So, ooh, I know. I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors Foundation palette. I'm gonna go into the color Dirty Money because it's like a greenish gold. So I think it'll like transition really, really nicely. See, look at how pretty that color is. Oof. And I'm gonna pop that on my eyeball. Oh yeah! Dude, this eye is not okay with this like little thing in the corner and it not picking up color there. It's pissing me off. Okay, literally look at this. What is happening there? Doesn't look like that on this side. Why does it just look so good in here? Oh my god, that's literally... We're just gonna move on. Last step for our eyes is we're gonna put this beautiful topaz color on. Looks like a pressed glitter, I think. Looks like a gold with some like green shift to it. And I'm gonna just tap that on my lid. Just in the middle part. Ooh, so pretty. This looks really bad right now, but I'll turn out fine. It looks like doo-doo on my eyelids. Okay, so since we already primed, I'm just gonna go straight into foundation. And I'm gonna use this sponge, which I got from Amazon, and it is like really good. I really, really like it. Look at the difference. This is the wet one and this is the dry one, and it's so soft. It's like $9 for a pack of 5. So I'm really light right now. So I'm gonna go in with a different foundation. Okay, I'm gonna try a new shade of this e.l.f. foundation, which I really, really like. This one is in the shade Linen. So let's see how it matches me. Okay, I'm really lazy. I don't like to waste stuff and clean stuff, so I literally pumped things on my face. Hello. What's coming up? Okay, that looks a little light. Okay, we'll see what happens. That's not the right color. That's too light. Okay, I'm gonna mix on my other shade, which is Suede, which is my usual color, but I am a little light right now because I had ACL surgery and I sat down on my butt and did nothing for a really long time. So this is the shade Suede, which is right there. If you can see the color difference. And I tried to color match myself on this like foundation matching. Oh! That was scary. It almost got everywhere, and I'm wearing a white top right now. I tried to match my color on this like foundation matching thing, and it said my color would be Linen, but like this is such a big difference, and they're not that far apart on the shade thing, so that's kind of frustrating. This is a little dark for me, but that one's usually perfectly my shade. Oh when I have a good tan going, but I'm just gonna put this on my face. Now I'm gonna try something for the first time, which I'm really excited about. I bought it on sale at TJ Maxx, and I always wanted to buy a contour stick to contour with, and I always wanted to try the Anastasia one, but I never wanted to buy it because I have no money. But I found it on sale at TJ Maxx, and I found both of these shades that were really nice, so I bought both of them, and I think I'm gonna try them today. So I have the Milk Makeup one, which it's this color. It looks really warm. It looks like red on the camera, but it's not. It is warm, but it's not red. And we have the Anastasia one in the shade Walnut. And this one also looks red on the camera. Nice, I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna try this shade Walnut from Anastasia, and I'm just gonna draw it on my face, and hopefully it'll blend out really nicely. That is so red. Oh my god. Well, I done effed up. This is okay. Well, we'll just try to blend it out and see what happens. Well, it blends out really... Oh my god, it blended out into basically nothing. Oh, that kind of looks okay. This is the world's worst YouTube video. Don't watch it if you're watching it. Let me put a little of the Milk one and see what happens. Okay, well that wasn't that bad. I still have these nose blinds, so let me do that. It does look red on camera. It's not that bad in person. I don't know how I feel about that completely, but I'll keep trying it, especially since I paid for it. Okay, we're gonna add concealer now, so hopefully this will be better, and then we'll powder bronze as well. Okay, I'm gonna use the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. in the color Medium Beige. I really like this too. Let me just set my under eyes with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Translucent. Well, this fits perfectly under my eye, and in the setting powder, I really like it. Then for the rest of my face to set it, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the shade Medium, and I've almost used all of this, which is like, I don't use all of anything. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Cappuccino. I also got this from TJ Maxx, so hopefully it looks good, but it also looks a little red. So maybe I just need to stop buying stuff from TJ Maxx. Look at this, it looks like blush. Okay, I'm going to go light with this because I don't want it to look bad. Okay, that's not okay. I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer. Trusty butter bronzer. Woo! Smells so good. In the shade Sunset Bronzer. My god, the Anastasia one looks so red! Did I just waste money on that? I hate myself. And I'm not gonna go too heavy-handed with this because I already put that cream contour on, but that was not cream contour, basically cream bronzer because it was so red, but that's okay. We will make it work. Make it work. Next, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon, and Kathleen Lights made me buy it. I'm going to try and keep it on the outer sides of my cheek here, not as much on the apples, but I will bring a little because I like it here. And on my nose because I like to look blushy. Let's finish up the under eyes. We look a little bare there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Mr. Bing on my lower lash line to make it brown. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that darkest shade Stone and put it really close to my lash line. Then I'm gonna smudge it out with a small brush and the jade color. And connect this outer corner to the top. Also gonna go in with a little bit of the citrine yellow color and really blend out the edges of that. I wanted to add a little bit of that gold on the center, so I'm gonna go back in with the two shimmer shades and just pop that on the bottom lash line in the center. I think it'll really open up the eyes. And I will pop on some falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, so I popped on some D335 lashes from Dodo Lashes, and they're super wispy, but you can still like see the eye look, which I really like about them. And we're almost done. We're gonna just do highlight and lips. So for lips, I'm really excited because I really want to experiment with some brown nude lips. And so today, we're gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna go in with Trendsetter from Morphe. Looks like I have a mustache. I'm gonna go in with a brush and like kind of just like blend it out a little. Now we have a lot of options for these colors. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, we're gonna try this by Huda Beauty. It's Staycation. I'm gonna blend it out with the brush again. I love that. To really finish this look, we have to highlight the face, and obviously everything is like gold and brown in this look, so we're gonna have to stick with a gold highlight. Okay, we're gonna go with the Colourpop Fire Super Shock Cheek Highlight. This is also with Caffeine Lights, and this one's super pretty gold. You can't really tell, but it's really gold. So we're gonna put that on our face, and it's really pretty gold, but I can't always wear this one because it's a little darker. But yeah, she is a pretty one. And you know I love a good nose highlight, so I'm gonna put that on my nose. The last thing is we have to put our inner corner highlight, which I live for. Pack that on, pack it on. But more, it's not showing up like I want it to. Okay, it doesn't look as bright as I want it to, so I'm going to dip into another highlight and see what happens. Please be bright. Okay, that was a little better. Last step, setting spray, and we will be done. So this is the finished look. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I love it. It reminds me of like money and fall. Two things that everybody loves. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry that I cannot be consistent with posting YouTube videos. Hopefully I'll be having like a best of 2020 makeup products. If there's anything that you would like to see, please leave it down in the comments below. I have no subscribers, so nobody will be leaving comments for me because nobody's gonna watch this video anyway. So like, yeah, sadness. You don't even watch my YouTube videos. Ew, my eyes look weird.
No, you don't. You look like a model. You look like a celebrity that's going to the gala.
You're so sweet. Anyways, if you are watching this video, you should like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I post way more there. But that's all for today's video, so I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Peace.